In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. If you wanna check out if you would like, if your screen would adjust brightness automatically based on your surroundings, here's how to check it out. First of all, to find out, you need to obviously enable automatic screen brightness. To do it now, go into Settings, scroll to Hid Display, and then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. You can also click on adaptive brightness on the left to access this disclaimer here and operate it the same way. Remember that if you won't like it, you already know how to switch it off, so I would recommend to at least try it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.